Infiniti G35 3.5 liter V6. Still got the stock factory converters right there and right there. Then it's single, then it's Y's back into a single, then Y's back into a dual. Two resonators right there, right there. And then we did a muffler delete right there and right there. We tried to sell him some new tips, but he would not go for it. He said he'll come back, so we'll see. And there's the two mufflers, the stock mufflers, right there and right there. I think he'll be back in a week to put new tips on it. I just have that feeling. But anyways, we'll let you guys hear in a minute. 2012 Infiniti G37 Coupe. What we did on it, still got the stocks, converters there and there. Then it wires into a single. Then we did a resonator delete right there and right there. And we did a muffler delete right there and right there. And then we put some blue flame tips on it. One there and one there. That's what it looks like. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. This is the resonators and muffler we took off of it. So for reference. 2018 Infiniti Q60. 3.0 liter turbo. It's got stock calic converters there and there. Then it wires into a single. So basically like a giant X kind of. Then it wires back out. Then we left the stock resonators there and there. We did a muffler delete on it right there and right there. And you left the stock tips. He might come back and do them later on. There's the original muffler that comes on those. It's a dual in, dual out. As you guys can see. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. It put a smile on his face, so he's happy. Am I happy? No. Should have 5-inch tips and straight piped all the way back. Don't you guys agree? Let me know in the comments. I think they should be. He's not going to listen to me. You going to listen to me? Huh? He might? Huh? He'll be back in a week. Let's see. If you guys see it in a week or so after. Right. Again? Let you guys hear on the inside. You know, you do these, that's how you gotta do them. Man, it's loud. I like it. It sounds really good though. Imagine if you put some high flow cats on it. Do you hear it? This is at an idle. Let you guys hear on the inside. That sounds good. Nice and deep. What you guys hear on the inside?
Inside the Infiniti, let you guys hear it.
Try that again. That's the customer, by the way, of the vehicle, because you guys think that we like do that. We don't do that. Again. I like it. Needs to be louder. Resonator's next. Still here. Oh man, that sounds beautiful.